If you came to learn about email marketing and how it can benefit you as an online business owner, you came to the right video, my friend, because in this video we're discussing email marketing, what it is, why you need it, and how it helps you make money online. Guys, my name is Frank. This is the Digital Boss Life. What I do is help you flex your money making muscles with affiliate marketing. Today we're talking email marketing, the lifeblood of your business. Before I get into it, I would love for you guys to head down below if you appreciate this content. Of course, don't want to force you to do anything, but if you subscribe to this channel, you can get content like this that I release daily on a regular basis. So, email marketing. Let's just go to Google. You see, I typed in Google here. What is email marketing? And we'll start here. Email marketing is a form of marketing that can make customers on your email list aware of new products, discounts, and other services. And if we scroll down a little bit, email marketing is important for building relationships with prospects, leads, current customers, and even past customers because it gives you a chance to speak directly to them in their inbox. And this is very important. Business is all about building relationships and building relationships over time. And when you're in their inbox on a regular basis, that makes it very convenient for you and convenient for them. In this last section here, email is an important method of business communication that is fast, cheap, accessible, and easily replicated. So fast, cheap, accessible, and easily replicated, very important because the old methods of marketing communication that still exist today but are not nearly as effective, like TV, magazines, newspaper, actual real mail, more expensive and less effective than showing up in someone's email inbox. So the big points here are what you're doing in online business is you are building a list of customers and potential customers that you can actually build relationships with over the course of time. Because in marketing, what they say is it takes 7 to 12 touches for a potential customer to potentially make a purchase, if not more. So in email marketing, you can collect a list of customers and potential customers all into one place and at mass actually email all of these people with one email and the click of a button. That's very powerful, right? I can get in front of those people with my marketing message, my email, my content with the click of a button in mass in one shot, right? In one shot. And that's why email is fast, cheap, and convenient, right? So what are we doing here with email? Let's take a look at Funnelytics here. And this is an example of an affiliate funnel. Now, most of your traffic in today's world is going to come from social media. So here's an example with TikTok, but your traffic can come from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, Messenger, Twitter, wherever they come from, right? Typically, you're offering what's called a lead magnet or a free offer or something that entices people to come into your list. So that's what we call an opt-in, and that's how they get into your list. You give them a free offer, they come into your email list, and they may or may not purchase right away. So in this particular example with affiliate marketing, they come to the opt-in, they go into the email autoresponder, okay, they go into your email software, and then they head to the bridge page where we tell them about our offer and then we send them off to our affiliate offer. Now, some people are going to buy right away, but it'll be a smaller percentage. The rest of the people, now that they're in my email software, my email autoresponder, I can now continue to email them and send them back to this offer. Email number 2, send them back to this offer and continue to send them back to this offer. This is a 5 email example of an autoresponder. And then eventually, whether they purchase or they don't purchase, and there's lots of things I can do with the email autoresponder and email software. And I'm going to leave an example of some of the best email autoresponders, softwares down below for you to check out. After they go through my autoresponder, they can go into my daily communication. I hope you guys can see this. So now I can email people daily, and maybe it doesn't have anything to do with this particular offer. I can send them something different, right? After a certain amount of emails in what's called an autoresponder. And if you don't know what an autoresponder is, what that means is I can set up in advance preset emails that will go out without me having to press any buttons because I set them up in advance and go to my potential customers and continue to sell for me while I'm not working, right? This is happening automatically, hence autoresponder, while I'm not working. And different people set up autoresponders for different amount of time. So some people will set up an autoresponder for 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, 6 months, 1 year, and so on. You can literally set these autoresponders up to go out for as long as you want. And this is where things in affiliate marketing, we talk about passive income. This is where business starts to become passive because you can set up autoresponders that go out for you. You can segment your potential prospects and customers into different lists. Customers are different than people who are prospects and haven't bought. You can segment people by certain actions that they take in your emails. You can segment people by certain offers that they're interested in. So there's lots of ninja things that you can do with your email marketing software that really make business super easy and powerful when it comes to online business, right? And the saying online is that every email subscriber is worth $1. So if you have a list of 1,000 people, that's $1,000 per month. If you have a list of 10,000 people, that's $10,000 per month. So the money is in the list. It truly is. And the only asset that you own when it comes to online business is your email list, because these social media platforms could shut down tomorrow and take all of your subscribers and followers with them. And what you can do in the event a catastrophe happened and they all shut down is you can take your email list and continue to promote and speak to those people. Also, when it comes to social media only shows a certain percentage of your followers your content. So there's no guarantee they're going to see a marketing message or a specific piece of content that you want them to see. When it comes to email marketing, it's going to be in their inbox no matter what. Now, whether or not they decide to open it has a lot to do with your ability to write great headlines and maybe where they're at in life, but they're going to see your message. They're definitely going to see that message. So the saying online is the money is in the list. The number one asset that all online business owners are building is the email list, because it is the only thing that you own. If all of social media shuts down, you got your email list. $1 per subscriber per month on average, and depending on how big your list would dictate how much you're going to make. And that's why you're always focused on getting people into your email list, whether or not they buy your offers right away or not. Now, let me tell you a quick story. Back in 2009, I was a personal trainer in a big box gym, and I knew nothing about online business or email. At the time, I was struggling to make sales. It's right after the stock market crash of '08, or the big crash of '08, and things were kind of going down. And I'm like, let me learn some more about sales and business. So I went online, I typed in, how to make sales in fitness, and I ended up on some guy's email list. I took up for a free offer or an opt-in, and I was on this guy's list. His name was Pat Rigsby. And next thing I know, I ended up on another guy's list somehow through Pat Rigsby. His name was Bedros Keuilian. And then I'm on another guy's list. I'm on about 15 people's lists before I can even blink an eye. And I'm learning all about fitness business. And it was getting onto that email list and starting to learn these things that propelled me to now go and start my own fitness business. So I went out and I started a boot camp business, and for 8 years I opened up my own gym, and I worked with hundreds of people in the fitness industry, and created this big community of people, and really went crazy with that stuff before I eventually sold the business and went online. Pat Rigsby, that first guy's email list I got onto, was my first business coach. And this was a couple years after I first signed up for his email list. I ended up paying him $500 a month for probably about a year and a half. About 5 or 6 years later, I eventually got into a mastermind with Bedros Keuilian, the second guy I got into his email list, and ended up paying him $50,000 over the course of 2 years to be in that fitness business mastermind talking about online business when I started to transition into more online stuff. In my fitness business, most of my business was created off of email marketing. Everyone coming to my gym, I was collecting their emails, doing a lot of Facebook stuff, running offers on a regular basis, always collecting email. And one time we ran an offer a couple years after I opened my gym, and a woman came in and she said, I've been on your list for 5 years, listening to what you're saying, always thinking about taking action. And now today I finally decided to take action. And that woman ended up coming to our gym, losing a bunch of weight and paying us hundreds of dollars over the course of several months. Big point here is the email lists is for you to develop what we like to call know, like, and trust. The more people know, like, and trust you over the course of time, after hitting them consistently with your content, with your messaging, with your offers, it's not a question of if, it is when they are going to buy. And that's what email is about. Not everyone buys your offers right away. It takes multiple touch points. And the more you communicate with them on a regular basis and they get to know, like, and trust you, the easier it's going to be to make sales with them over the course of the long haul. And that is the power of email marketing. So, I hope this video helped you out and explained to you exactly why you need it, why it's powerful, and that it's the number one asset that you need to develop in your online business. If this video did help you out, I'd love for you to head down below, like, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to this channel. Guys, my name is Frank. This is The Digital Boss Life, and I look forward to catching up with you on the next video.